how to do margin trading on Binance step-by-step guide. Now, first of all, in order to do margin trading on Binance, open up the Binance app, go to the trades option from the very bottom, and you'll find the option called margin, which you'd be able to find at the very top of the screen. Now, if this is your first time, you'll need to enable margin trading. It will ask you to read through the risk agreement carefully and confirm that you understand the risk by accepting the terms. Now, before you can start trading, you'll need to transfer funds to your margin account. You can go to your wallet and select margin option and then choose the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer from a spot wallet to your margin wallet. Now that your margin account is funded, you can borrow funds. In the trading interface, you can choose the cryptocurrency pair that you want to be able to basically trade. And with the funds borrowed, you're ready to place a trade. You can go long or buy short or whatever else it is that you prefer. And once you've done that, you would be able to enter the amount and place the order just like you would in spot trading. And that's it. You've just completed your first margin trade on Binance. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.